Well, this is the news by Grandpa, where you decide if it is true or not. Grandpa will go through the charts and give short term and long term forecasts here shortly. Well, the indexes were up, but Tesla outperformed today. Yeah, they sure did. As far as divergence, we had higher volume by 11 million shares today on higher prices, and I guess they consider that a good thing. Grandpa's not so sure about that. We had a high today of 174.72, and Grandpa and Grandma both sold a ton of shares today. We will see how that goes for them. We had a low of 165.90 and we closed at 173.80. Grandpa anticipates an opening price tomorrow of somewhere around the 172 area. I think we're going to open down a little bit. It's currently about 173.55 in Tesla. The high of 174.72 was retested after hours already, and we're sinking away. And so, let's see. Oh, Biden has grown angry and anxious over his re-election effort. Allies told him his poll numbers were dropping, and he reportedly started shouting and swearing. Swearing is foul language, you know. Biden advisors say that he should walk faster. Poor Biden. Grandpa ought to walk faster. That's what ought to happen. It's rough to be old. Why this matters. Our economy isn't really doing too good, especially real estate, and people aren't happy. Real estate is in bad shape here, and interest rates need to come down to fix it. Biden has said rates will come down soon, and Grandpa believes he will push Powell to lower rates starting in June. It's June 12th that they have that meeting. Probably more than anticipated. Dropping the rates more than anticipated. I think they're going to do it 3 times before the election, lower rates, and I think it may be more than we anticipate. It's his only hope of he's got to come into that election with a good economy, looking good at least short term, because he'll never get elected if he doesn't. And so, and he is Fed Powell's boss, you know. Grandpa's ad living here, and we got Wednesday. Powell's gonna speak, and I think Powell's gonna be hawkish, and I think that's gonna be bad for the markets and Tesla, and I don't think Biden's gonna be real happy with Powell after Wednesday. So that's when I think he's going to put the numbers to Powell, in Grandpa's opinion. Tesla, remember, big money will know in advance what's going to happen with that rate reduction in June or whenever they're going to have it. They're going to know weeks in advance. And so they're gonna pre-play it. Believe me, I think they've already started pre-playing it. They always do, so be ready. Short term, we already revisited, like I say, the high of the day after hours, and I expect Tesla to open about 172. We have substance at 203, and there's a chance that we could try for 180 based on my Japanese candles and the blinking. I think we'll pretty much run sideways in the 160 to 180 range this week. Doing some consolidation, trying to bore us to death before going down to our substance at 152, which I will show you shortly, where Grandpa is expecting a bounce up off the 150, 152 area, and a continuation of the dominant trend, which is down to about 101.07. So let's look at what we have going here. This is the daily chart. Here's our death cross. The 200 moving average is crossed by the 50. We got it all the way down to just shy of right about 196 now, coming down. It's coming down about $1.25 a day, and somehow we need to get on top of that thing, but it ain't looking good to Grandpa. I know several of the analysts are bullish now and singing the song "She's Going to the Moon," or at least up again, but not Grandpa. Grandpa's bearish, and I got we saved shares to sell in 203 area and 190s. If we get lucky enough to get up there, Grandpa will be happy as a pig in mud and sell more shares. Anticipating 150, 152 and down. Okay, so we got a green candle today in the daily. Is it a buy signal? No, it's not. Absolutely. If this red candle here was engulfed into the previous one, it would be a buy signal. This is 95% of the time when Grandpa sees this is a bull flag at best. And the continuation of the trend down is down. We still have a sell signal in the daily. Let's look at the weekly quick. Weekly is absolutely a sell signal, as you can see. If we could manage to get a green candle tomorrow, and then we'd have we're not, let's see, what day is it? This candle is only a day old, so that's not going to happen. We're just not looking good. This is the weekly. Okay, we have substance at 101.07 down on the bottom, and Grandpa thinks we're going to probably see that in May, prior to the June rate reduction that Grandpa's anticipating. We have substance at 152. I got buys in at 150, 152. So does Grandma. And we don't have substance at 162 anymore. Grandpa called it out. They took it out. They took out the 173. Grandpa called it out as substance. They took it out. We had substance at 184 twice, and took it out both times, just in our recent past here. When I put in 184, the price was 269. People think Grandpa's crazy. Grandpa knows stuff. Get with it. just watch Grandpa's live streams. You get some confidence. We have substance at 203. Grandpa's been hoping for quite a while that we're going to see 203, and we will in our future. I hope we see it this week, but I just don't believe it. I from what I'm seeing, we're heading down. We have substance up at 284 on the top, and you will see that in your future also. 100% in Grandpa's opinion. How long have I talked? Too long. Okay, monthly sell signal, big time sell signal. Okay, yeah, I hate to be gloom and doom, but I'm telling you, I predicted yesterday get out in the low 170 range, and I did. I didn't get out of everything, but I sold enough, so I got gunpowder extra to buy on the way down. We'll see how this plays out. All good things are from the Lord, and Lord willing, we'll do another live stream sometime.